Well, our friends at Black Friday have done it again, folks. They've leaked out the Lowe's Black Friday flyer. Now, this is a flyer that's only good for one day only, it says right up here. And that is on November 24th, Black Friday. So let's take a look at what they've got here. Right off the bat, I can see there's $100 off of this Kobalt. That's the 3-stack of the toolboxes, the rolling stack. And it's down $100 from $219 down to $119. And then this Craftsman drill driver right here. This is the one that I showed you on my last Lowe's video. That was like $59 on the shelf, marked down from $79. So all they did was here, they took an extra $10 off total, bringing it down to $49. And then these two, the tape measures, which I didn't show you on the last video because it wasn't a deal at the time. Forget what they were charging for them, but now it's down to $9.98 for the two tape measures. So they tend to do that every year here with Lowe's on Black Friday. And then 20% off of the 7-foot fresh cut. These are the Fraser Christmas trees. And then here's your poinsettias. They always do these as door busters every year, the wreaths and the poinsettias. The poinsettias are going to be 2 for $3. I remember a couple of years ago, I think they were like 25 cents. They had them as a door buster on Black Friday. These are the little metal Kobalt miniature storage boxes. They're supposed to emulate like the full-size toolboxes. They're about, I don't know, 8 or 9 inches across, and they were $19.99 or something like that when I showed it on the video last week, and now they're down to $12.98. Can't tell if this is a Blackstone griddle or not, because it's a little bit blocky. They didn't give it the most finest scan possible, but it's $80 off as far as I can see. And here it looks like they took $560 off of this Amana washer dryer. And then there's more door busters on the back page for appliances. This is a great deal here. This is that pop-up holiday snowman. And Sam's Club, I was in there today, has one just about exactly like this one. And it's, I don't remember what their price was over there. Sam's Club didn't have a sign, but here, $79. These are normally like $140, $150. All the rest of these deals here, I've already showed you on the last video that I did here at Lowe's about 2 weeks ago or so. And even this one here, the 277-piece kit for $99 from Kobalt. Yeah, so all of these I showed you before, this buy one, get one, these were already there. And then here when we look at the DeWalt, all of these were already there, except I can't remember if this table saw was there. This is the mobile job site saw from DeWalt, and it's $100 off down to $299, which they usually do every year. And same here with the miter saw, and they're not specifying here, but I'm willing to bet it's probably the 779 model. And so anyway, they're showing it at $200 off down to $399. These I've already showed you before, the buy one get ones. Same with the Craftsman, I already showed you those. Now these are a little bit lower because I'm pretty sure in our store when I did the video, these were probably like $8.98. So it says here $160 off, but they really never came in that high in the $68 range. They came in at our store at $8.98. So in my view, these are really $100 off, but they are still a little bit cheaper. And some people wait until the end of the Christmas shopping season, and sometimes they can get these on clearance down to like $6.98 or $5.98 in some places. And this looks like another blowout door buster right here. The 5-gallon wet dry vac for $54.98. But it looks like it's only going to be $5 cheaper than it is right now. Okay, on to the next page. These we've already showed you, so there's nothing new here. So far it doesn't look like there's a whole lot of like doorbuster type stuff. However, if you look here, these are all the gifts that I've showed you in the last Lowe's video on the gift zone area. So some of them have come down in price here. Some of them have dropped $5, some of them have dropped $10. So at least for a lot of these, we are seeing deals. Now, I don't know if these are going to only be one day, because the flyer on the front page says one day only, but a lot of these deals I know are already going to be going on through January. So maybe they continue that with these as well. Maybe they were just trying to give a sense of urgency. We simply don't know. And then, of course, all of the inflatables are discounted as well. This is the ladder I showed you before, the Little Giant, down to $99 from $169, so that's not new. The aluminum ladder from Werner, the 6-foot, down to $59.98. These, I don't remember if we had these in the last ad or not from Lowe's. But here's your Ego blower there. They took $50 off. And you got $60 off here on their light, and that thing's a beast. puts out quite a bit of light. So a lot of your smart home stuff, your Ring doorbells and all that, a lot of these are a 5-day only deal that starts on the 23rd and goes through the weekend. And then, of course, they're doing the buy one, get one free on the paint. And they dropped the price of their paint kit down to $19.98. They got 50% off of select bathroom faucets and shower heads. So that's a pretty good deal. If the prices are really 50% off, those are great deals. So I would look for those. They're not even showing them. I guess you just have to go into the store and see them. So I will be in there on Friday morning checking that out. And $30 off of the American Standard toilet here. And then here you got the Harbor Breeze. I think that's the Bradbury. I forget what they call this one. I can barely read it. The print is just not very scanned in. Anyway, this is $50 off down to about $100 for this fan. But I'm liking these two deals right here. These are your kitchen faucets, priced at $59. You never can find a kitchen faucet under $100. You know, the tall ones like this. So that's a pretty good deal there. And then here, of course, they're showing me all of the appliance deals, the buy more, spend more, and a free local delivery too. Now this says lowest prices of the year. So again, you'll have to go there and see, although they did list a couple of models here with some of the prices. So this was here a Whirlpool side-by-side fridge where they actually took $100 more off of what was already taken off. So it says this fridge is $800 off. So this used to be $16.99. So you're going to see a lot of stuff like that going on there. And I would make sure you get in there early on Black Friday, because the later in the day you get in there, you're going to be probably waiting 2 or 3 weeks for delivery. So you want to get your name on the delivery list as soon as possible. So not quite as much good stuff as we used to see in the past. We used to see the buy one get one frees on the big DeWalt miter saws, where they would give you the free miter saw table too, if you remember that from a couple of years ago. Now I have a great money saving tip for you, and I want you to go back and check if you bought anything out of that Lowe's Christmas gift zone aisle with all of those little tchotchke gifts. Check your receipt and see what you spent, and if any of these prices dropped, they'll give you the difference back. So Lowe's is really good about that. So make sure you take advantage of that in case you already bought some of these gifts. And if you haven't already, now's the time to go in starting on Black Friday morning, and you can start to rummage through there and see which of those little tools or gadgets or accessories that you may want to get at a nice steep discount for Black Friday here at Lowe's 2023. And make sure you watch this channel over the next few days, because we're going to be pumping out just one after another all the different savings that's coming up. I'm working on 2 more videos just tonight alone from stuff that I found today at Costco and also from Samsung. So make sure you look out for those. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on Friday.